In this video, we're actually going to be looking at what's called Google Analytics, probably one of the most useful and important tools that Google uses. So let's search up Analytics. Google Analytics official website. Click here. It's going to give you a screen like this. Let's go up to Access Google Analytics in the upper right hand corner. Remember, you must have a Google account to use both Webmaster Tools and Analytics. If you have not set up a Google account, you must, and it would also be imperative that you watch the first video in this playlist and set up your Webmaster Tools. So let's start using Google Analytics. Sign up. I have already successfully logged in to demoaccelerate@gmail.com, and so it's going to give me a screen like this. Setting up Google Analytics is not difficult. Account name, let's call it Accelerate Worldwide. This is pretty repetitive for a small business. Website name is also Accelerate Worldwide. Then enter in your URL. We have accelerateworldwide.com. You can add www if you wish. It is not required. Select your industry category. We're going to go with business and industrial markets, and then the time zone. Mountain time, not in Arizona, but rather just GMT -7. You can choose whether Google can add or track problems with analytics and give you help. I always leave it on just in case. And then you click Get Tracking ID. A pop-up will occur, and you have to say, you can read through the terms of services if you really want to. Click I accept. It's going to give you this page. Going to ignore that. It's going to say Accelerate Worldwide here. And what this code does is it allows you to track your website and where people go on your website and how people access your website. It's a very robust code. And so ask your webmaster, or if you are a webmaster, copy this code and put it into the head of every page on your website. If you operate in a management system like WordPress or Joomla, you only need to add it to the header.php or similar file, but it must be added to every page of your website. Once this code has been successfully copied and pasted into the various pages on your website, Google Analytics will start tracking data on your website. Pretty simple, and that's how you set up Google Analytics.